Hi guys, welcome back to Magic of Paper. I post fun and easy to follow origami tutorials here to keep you creative and entertained. And if it is your first time here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the little bell. And today, we'll be learning how to create this vase, the stem, and the tulip. First, let's create the vase. You need a square paper for this, and in my case I'm using a 15 by 15 origami paper. Fold your paper in half. Do a crease and open it up. And do the same thing again. Open it back up and fold your paper diagonally. Open it up and do the same thing again. And open your paper like this along this crease. And squash it down. Flip your paper and do the same thing again. And it should look like this after you finish. Place your paper like this and make sure the opening is on the top. Now, fold the corner inward and make sure this point matches the center line. Do the same thing on the other side. Flip your paper and do the same thing again. Now, fold this part inward and make sure this edge matches the center line. Open it back up and you can see there's a little pocket there, and you want to fold down this flap and close it back up. Now fold your paper like this and do the same thing that we did before. Fold it inward, open it back up, and fold this flap down. Flip your paper and do the same thing again. Now you can open up your vase just like this, or you can use a glue stick and glue them together so your vase doesn't fall apart when you try to open it. Now it's time to open the vase. You can put your fingers in and gently push these parts out. And for the bottom part here, you do some adjustments and gently push it in. And your vase should look like this after you finish. Now the stem, and I'm also using a 15 by 15 origami paper here. First, fold your paper diagonally and leave a crease. Open it back up, and fold this part inward and make sure this edge meets the center line. Do the same thing again. Now, fold this part inward again. And make sure this edge meets the center line. Do the same thing on the other side. And do the same thing up here again. Fold this part inward. And the same thing on the other side. And now, fold your paper in half. And fold in half again. And now pull this part out until these two parts are even. Now, you can put your stem into the vase. Now the tulip, and you will need a smaller paper for this. Crease your paper the same way we did for the vase. And place your paper like this and make sure the opening is on the top. Fold this part inward. Do the same thing on the other side. Open it back up and fold this part inward again and make sure this edge is even with this crease. And fold it along this crease again.
flip your paper and do the same thing again. Now, use a scissor and cut off this corner. Carefully open your tulip. And your tulip will look like this after you finish. Now, you can put the tulip onto the stem. And there it is, the tulip and the vase.
Comment down below and leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.